Hello, hello, hello. Let's get this party started. Okay, I am just going to make sure that we are live in all the places. I hope you are having a great day. If you are here, say hello. Let me know you are here. And just getting this to go, working on Instagram as well. Fantastic. I think it's working. Okay, we're going to dive right into this. Okay. So if you're here, come say hi. Let me know that you're here. That would be great. If you're watching this on a repeat, please, let me know that as well. But I wanted to hop on because I am going to say something that might sting a little. But if you're here, you probably need to hear it. You don't have a content problem. I talk to people all the time. You don't have a follower problem. You have a clarity and execution problem. And I say that with love, but also with truth, because I see so many freaking women, smart, driven, experienced, posting every day, watching trainings, buying programs, and still not making the money they know they should be making. So today, we're not doing fluff. We're not doing motivation for the sake of it. We're getting you unstuck. So here's what's really going on. You're showing up, but you're not converting. You're posting, but nobody's buying. Anybody? You're busy, but not profitable. Anyone? And instead of fixing the real problem, you tell yourself, I need better hooks. I need to post more. Maybe I need another training. No, you don't. Because the truth is, most women don't need more information. They need a decision and a damn plan. So until you fix that, you're going to keep spinning your wheels, wondering why everyone else seems to be figuring it all out. But let me make this really clear. It is not the algorithm. It is not your audience. It is not because you started too late. It's because your brand, your content, and your execution are not aligned. Everything in your business comes down to this: clarity, content, cash. If your clarity is off, your content is confusing. If your content is confusing, people don't buy. And if people don't buy, you start questioning everything. So let me break this down real quick. Clarity. Do you actually know who you're speaking to, what you offer, and why someone should choose you? Or are you kind of like winging it, throwing up against the wall and seeing what sticks? Because if you're unclear, your audience feels that. Now, content. Now you're posting, but it's random, it's inconsistent, it's not positioned to convert. So people watch, maybe even like, but they don't take action. Now we talk about cash, and this is where the frustration kicks in because you know you should be making money. You know you have value, but your business isn't reflecting that. And it's not because you're not capable, it's because your system is broken. And let me say this: AI is changing everything right now. But here's the truth nobody's saying: AI is not replacing you, it's exposing you. It's exposing who actually has a brand, a message, and a strategy. Because if you don't, AI just makes you louder, not better. So here's the part I want you to really, really hear. Not everyone here needs the same thing. And if you've ever felt like, why isn't this working for me? It's probably because you've been trying to solve the wrong problem. So there's clarity. If you're sitting there thinking now, I don't even know what my brand fully is. I'm inconsistent because I don't feel clear. My messaging feels all over the place. Then you don't need more content tips. You need clarity. And that's exactly why I created the Brand Clarity Intensive. It's designed to lock in your message, your positioning, and your direction so you're not guessing anymore. Now, path 2, execution. Now, if you're like, I know what to do, I'm just not doing it consistently. I start and I stop. I need structure and accountability, then your issue is not knowledge, it's execution. And that's where the Brand to Income Execution Lab comes in. This is where we build momentum, consistency, and results. Now, if you're sitting here like, I'm ready to grow, I want content done faster and smarter, I want to actually use AI the right way. Let me repeat that. To use AI the right way, then you need systems. That's exactly what my AI content studio is for. Wait till you check it out. Check out the AI hub that I have for you. This was created so you're not spending hours creating content and still feeling behind. Now, here's what I'm not going to let you do. I'm not going to let you watch this, then feel fired up, and then go right back to do nothing, because that's what most people do. They get inspired and then they stay stuck. So here's what we're doing. I'm opening these 3 things up for the next 48 hours because you don't need more time to think. You need to decide who you're going to be in your business. The woman who keeps consuming, or actually build something that pays her. So if you're ready, drop the word ready below or contact me. Let's get you the right next step that's specific for you. No more spinning, no more overthinking. It's time to actually get paid. So tell me in the comments, where are you stuck right now? Is it clarity? Is it content or execution? I'm happy to respond and I'll point you in the right direction. Thanks so much. And make sure that you follow me. Share this with somebody who needs to have additional clarity and execution, because truly the rising tide lifts all boats. And I'm thrilled to support you.